Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI, and we were storing all of our K-cups in a drawer. It was really hard to figure out what was what. They were always getting flipped over, and it took the space of an entire drawer. So I found this super cute K-cup holder. This is from TreeLen. This is made from a nice durable steel, and it's in the shape of a coffee cup. So how much cuter could you get? This is really nice because it holds up to 40 K-cups. So I really love all of the roominess of it. If you use a different type of pod, they will fit in here as well. As you can see, it's easy to store them and put them all in here. When you're ready to make a coffee, you just pick out the one that you want and you're good to go. It's adorable, and as I mentioned, it's made of a nice sturdy steel. This is the white color, which I really like, and it also comes in black. This would make a great addition to any coffee area in your home if you just want an extra place to put all of those K-cups. It's so cute and adorable, and it's really fun. It makes me smile every time I see it. But that's just my point of view.